Hello everyone, this is Rita from RinPac.
If you want your packaging to stand out on a crowded shelf, Shiny Glossy Printing is the way to go. So what is it? A glossy finish is achieved by applying a high reflective film over the printed layer. It gives the bag a smooth, glass-like surface. The biggest advantage, color vibrancy. Glossy finishes make your brand colors look more saturated and vivid compared to matte options. Beyond aesthetics, it's also highly durable. The surface is moisture-resistant and easy to wipe clean, keeping your products looking fresh and professional. From snacks to retail goods, glossy mylar bags are a cost-effective and reliable solution.
If you are interested, please contact us. I'll see you next time. Bye!